weather with Aaron Brackett.
Oh yeah, we're going to break off a piece of that cold air and put it right here into Oklahoma, and you're going to feel it as soon as, well, a couple hours from now for some. It's a slow-moving cold front, and outside right now, well, we still do have a little bit of steam raising up from the buildings, but I'll tell you, we're going to take a look at this tomorrow, and we're going to have a very wintry-looking scene out there with clouds, cold temperatures, winds, and yeah, it's just going to be all around. Not the nicest day here as we get ready to go on our Friday. Temperatures right now, though, 50. In fact, the high temperature we're going to see today, which is a couple degrees warmer than this, it'll be the warmest in 6 days' time. So yes, it's been very cold. We've had 20s almost every morning. And you can see the map here, all sorts of yellow and orange, even some red, indicating temperatures rising above 15 degrees over the same time yesterday. So 10 to 15 degrees, pretty good bet in northern Oklahoma. That puts our temperatures, Stillwater 53 degrees, 52 in Ada, and also 53 in Ardmore. Look at the Panhandle, though, 38 in Guyman. That's the very beginnings of the system starting to approach and move into Oklahoma. In fact, look at these noon temperatures here. Yes, it is well off to the northern parts of the U.S., but for mid-November, even this is very, very cold. 10 to 15 degrees all throughout the Dakotas and towards Chicagoland, northern Illinois, Wisconsin, 20s and 30s right now. As Ellie mentioned earlier, lots of snow happening up there, lake effect snow happening all throughout Michigan that could be measured possibly in feet. Okay, wind chills, this is going to be our problem. So tomorrow at the bus stop, heading to work, layers upon layers. Even though it doesn't feel that bad now, this is how it's going to feel tomorrow in the morning. So 11 to 15, that's the apparent temperature. And even in the middle of the afternoon, this is 2 o'clock Friday, it's still going to feel like the teens out there. So very cold. And again, on Saturday, this is 6:30. This is the time Bedlam kicks off. 19 degrees, the wind chill. So it is going to be chilly, especially for the first half of the weekend, and then we try to start turning a corner. So the storm scanner, it shows that we are completely clear. A few high-level clouds in northern Oklahoma and snow now moving through the I-70 corridor, northern parts of Kansas. The clouds overspreading ahead of that. This is well behind the cold front, so of course the cooler air is really taking root there. And then as we go into tonight, we'll start to see clouds moving in from north to south. It'll be mostly cloudy and basically overcast here throughout the entirety of our Friday. There may be some flurries and snow showers out of this. At the very most, we'll see about a dusting of snow in any given area, so nothing really to worry about there. And then on Saturday, we clear the skies out and the temperatures, they will still be cold. The cold air remains. Now let's go forward in time here. We have warming Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and this is the day before Thanksgiving right here. A couple showers and sprinkles here or there. That'll be off and on throughout the day, and unfortunately it lingers into Thanksgiving. Right now it looks to be more the first half of Thanksgiving with things clearing out the second half. But as for rainfall totals, we've taken these down. We actually have toned them down quite a bit. Not really much in the bucket right there. Certainly something to watch, though, here for this afternoon. 55, warmest in about a week. You can see the front working through northern parts of the state here this afternoon. And tonight, another night in the 20s. Clear, continued chilly, and those winds, they'll really start to increase here as we go forward in time. 22 Ponca City, 21 Alva. This light white here, this is just a couple flurries and snow showers. Again, not a huge deal, but again, it's going to be that wind chill that's going to be a problem all day tomorrow. In fact, the high temperature, just about 33. The record for coolest high sits at 35. So we might break a record tomorrow. Wind chills in the teens pretty much all day long. Bundle up layers upon layers. You're going to need it. On Sunday afternoon, high just 44. Remember, the average is 60, so about 15 degrees below what's average. Taking a look at the football forecast, of course, a big one. Oh, yeah. Talking about layers upon layers, do that again in whatever team color you choose. Yeah. But temperatures around freezing by halftime. Wind chills the whole game are going to be in the 20s. So we're going to watch that very carefully here.
At least it's dry.
At least it's dry. The field is going to be dry. We're not going to have a cold rain or snow, that's for sure. 44 Saturday, 50 on Sunday. We try to touch 60 degrees maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and then we see the next system coming in here just in time for Thanksgiving.
Oh, you got a new turkey.
Yeah, it's kind of fanning.
Okay.
It's kind of fanning
more
things. He was running yesterday. He's fanning today.
Yeah, he does the wobble a little bit too.
I have a lot of turkeys. I might change it out here.
We'll all be wobbling on next Thursday. Thank you for that. Hey, a week after the